can be a scary and stressful time when you find out on local news or on social media that a possible disaster may happen soon. We want to share some important safety tips with you to help you prepare for the disaster. Please pay attention to any updates and evacuation orders your local officials share with you. If they tell you to evacuate, it is for your and your family's safety. Plan ahead of time and know where your evacuation routes are and where you can go to be safe. Download the FEMA app to see where there are shelters near you. If there are high winds, which are very strong, dangerous winds, you should find a storm shelter or a room with no windows to protect you and your family. Prepare an emergency kit with supplies to last you at least 3 days, and make sure to include any medications and important documents, such as bank statements, social security cards, and proof you own or rent your home. Having your emergency kit prepared before a disaster helps to save time and reduces stress. Don't forget to include supplies and medications for your pets. Visit Ready.gov for a checklist of how to pack an emergency kit. If you decide to stay where you are, or when you come back home after a disaster and you use a generator because your power is out, please make sure you keep your generator outside, away from windows, and at least 20 feet from the house. This will help prevent carbon monoxide poisoning. Driving or walking through flooded areas is extremely dangerous. Even if there's only 6 inches of water, it's enough to move a car and put you in danger. If you see floodwaters, turn around, don't drown. Remember, your safety and your family's safety is very important to us, so please follow these tips and stay safe.